Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can tag another business or brand within your bio. So there's a lot of reasons why people tag other companies or brands in their bio. Is maybe they're trying to promote their other product or service that falls in line with their business model, or they maybe got partnership deals or brand ambassador deals in place, and this is how you can go about tagging another company in your bio. So if we go back to edit profile, we click on the bio section there, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go on to next to interviews there. I'm going to push return, and I'm just going to write great product. You can write anything. Great product, onto two dots, return, and I'm going to go at. So as you can see, your lifestyle has come up. That's another product of mine which I've launched. I can tag it, and what I'll do is I'll go done, and then done again. So now as you can see, when you go more, it'll say great product, or it'll say another brand, or go check this out, or whatever your call to action to that tag is. So the cool thing now is when someone comes to your bio, they'll check out what you do, and then if you click on that tag, it'll actually take you to that page. As you can see, you'll say more, and I've actually done that on this bio. I've got the lifestyle brand. That's what that falls under. It's the Lifestyle Buzz, the surf school. It's a dog's lifestyle. So if I go into a dog's lifestyle, there's the other product I have within the different brands. So you can tag away, and it's really powerful when you're promoting other products within your product.